Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja. So today we have another question here that says that we need to fill the different numbers in these boxes. If you see these boxes here, what do we have? It's 1 upon something plus 1 upon something plus 1 upon something. That is, these are fractions with numerator 1, right? And then it says that on the right hand side we have 1 by 8. Okay, so what do we need to do now? We do not know what number would fit here, so it always comes 1 in the numerator. So what should we do? We should try to convert it into decimal. We know 1 by 8 is 0.125, right? Now 0.125, I can write it like this: 0.1 plus 0.02 plus 0.005. Right or not? Right? Why? Because now if I add these numbers, I will get this. Now the main purpose is to write these numbers as fractions, right? 0.1 can be written as 1 by 10, right? Plus this can be written as 2 by 100 and this can be written as 5 by 1000. So now when we solve them, we will get 1 by 8, right? But the condition is that in this left hand side, the numerator should be 1, not this 2 here, okay? So what should I do? I will divide by 2 in both numerator and denominator. And here I will divide by 5 in both numerator and denominator, right? Here we get 1 by 10, here we get 1 by 50, and here we get 1 by 200. And that will be equal to 1 by 8. And we are finally done with our question, right? So when you get this type of question, what do you need to do? Try to make it in decimal and then try to solve it in that way, okay? So I hope you understood this. If you liked it, do subscribe to my channel and visit my channel for more such questions. And if you like to solve math riddles, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.